Title: Delay Constraint Caching in Cognitive Radio Networks. Caching means temporary storage. Existing system. In the network, two type of users available: one, licensed users and unlicensed users. They wants to utilize the channel effectively. The network system designed as to service the licensed users with a high priority and use the full speed on the file transmission, but it will be affected when unlicensed users utilize the system. The network system designed like unlicensed users utilize it until but the time of licensed users enter to file sending, so the unlicensed user data allocate to other available channel. Data delay happen to licensed users file sending action when the channel allocation to the unlicensed users files, so it leads the issue on the network. Data loss and delay happen due this channel allocation to the unlicensed users to continue the file transmission. All the channels in engaged situation, the system unable to hold data, hence it make the file sending failed situation on unlicensed users. Disadvantages: unlicensed users data loss is not controlled. System always allocate the first channel to unlicensed users even it make high delay. Delay constraint not consider to both type of users. Proposed system. In this idea, we have to propose on utilize the system with channel allocation in effective manner and reduce the network issue. Two types of approaches are discussed in this method: cost based approach and delay based approach. Initially, they select channels suitable channel to the licensed users based on them, which then check any unlicensed users access it. If used, then file data of unlicensed users is transferred to cache, and then the channel is allocated to licensed users file transmission activity. File data is sending on this channel with a high utilization in the network. The cache is used to store the unlicensed users file data on temporary based, and it is avoid the data loss delay while channel allocation. The cost based approach is used to minimize the caching cost in the file transmission of the licensed users, and it is not used for unlicensed users because the system default allocation is minimum delay channel for both users. The design delay based approach is to satisfy the delay constraint, so it always calculate the file transmission time and then compare it. Hybrid approach is combination of both approaches, and it considers best cost and avoids the delay. It is designed best and suitable channel to the file sending activity. Advantages: cache is used to avoid the inconvenience delay and data loss. Both types of users access the network in best way. Cost based option and delay based option is given to licensed users. Alternate titles: delay and cost based approach in data transmission in the network. Avoid the data loss issue on licensed and unlicensed users usage. Licensed and unlicensed users maintain in best way. Enhancement: DOS attack and spam attack happen when the unlicensed users enter to the usage, because the initial stage the user is coming to test the usage then get license. So always huge volume is available in the network and it leads the security issues. We have to block these attacks by using control agent, and it checks all the input files, count of the incoming from the same users. If any findings occurred, and automatically disconnect those users file.